when the first children of Alkebulan rose to touch the stars. The elders gathered. They rejoiced, yet their joy was woven with memory, for this moment was carved from struggle, paid for in the pain and sacrifice of the ancestors. To honor them, they spoke names into the waters, rooted stories in trees, and sent truths on the wind, so the future would never forget. For they knew all too well that monuments can be destroyed, artifacts stolen, books and libraries burnt down, and histories erased. But what is born of nature endures, and in its time it shall speak. Thus was born